Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this 2-gallon water can. I'll tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know. Guys, this thing is 2 gallons. It comes with 2 openings, one here and one here. First of all, it comes with this really nice watering nozzle and has a whole bunch of different holes. And so when you use this, the water comes out of this in a very nice, wide, soft pattern. So you can water plants without pounding them into the ground and spread that water evenly across your plants, whether it's a garden or pots or whatever it is. That's super nice. The other thing you'll notice about this is it has 2 different types of threads. This wide thread here and this smaller thread on the inside, okay? Now, you can thread this onto the back here and tighten that in there, and that is going to give you actually a lot more water force, okay? And that allows you to keep this lower side for watering in just kind of one solid fountain. However, what I prefer is to screw this end onto this end here, and that allows you to fill this up a lot faster using this to fill it up, and then use this to give a more soft flow of water onto your plants. Because my favorite thing about this has to be the sheer amount of water this holds. I can water 5 huge pots with just this one watering can with the 2 gallons that it holds. And I just like the versatility of being able to fill it up so fast using this larger hole, and then how dispersed this water comes out. Guys, this is a really good watering can. It's just what I needed for my garden and for my pots in my front yard and backyard. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.